what you see here, I'm standing in front of it's the vision of the West African Health Foundation. It's a state-of-the-art eye institute, and it will treat the likes of glaucoma, cataract surgeries. There's multiple operating rooms, exam rooms, treatments, not only for the surrounding area, but the region and beyond. And you have the exciting opportunity right now. As you can see, it is almost done. So every dollar that you can contribute goes directly to the care of people of the region. Thank you.